This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. Today morning, we received complaints that the audio was not good. I don't know, we are just checking. So, hope this time this is good. Today, markets were highly volatile. In fact, last Thursday, the market was highly volatile. It went up 100 points, then fell more than 400 points intraday last Thursday. And today, morning it went up, then came down by 250 point, then shot up 550 point, then from there came down 350 point, and incidentally, I received a report that first 9 months, that means from January 1 to September 30, this Jane Street has made 14 billion profit, 14 billion US dollar profit. And that was much more than what they made in the last one whole year. So probably, Jane Street kind of people making hell lot of volatility in India. But the SEBI always penalizes the retail traders, right? So retail traders are so pathetic. And today, a three-way, four-way move, and no intraday player would have survived today. People thought, in the morning market went up, in US market, ICICI Bank was down, and tomorrow RBI policy, there was some report that some GST search was there in ICICI Bank Mumbai branches. Then when the market fell, people thought, okay, this is like a last week, market will not recover. And then after breaking 24,300, there was a dramatic recovery of more than 550 points. I think this is the worst volatile day in the year 2024, I can say. And forget about June 4 election vote counting day and this and that. Maybe they're all event based. Today, what is the event? There was no event. And the premiums were super crazy in the morning. At the money short straddle, there was a 250 point premium. The premiums were shooting up both the sides, right? And, the market is down 100, 150 point, but call prices are going higher than yesterday. Market is up by 50 point, 100 point. Put premiums are higher than yesterday. So the premiums are very, very extraordinary, and you have seen the result. I think from today, many people will stop trading intraday on expiry day at least. I always say, it's better not to trade intraday. You can trade one DTE so that, you can save the margin money also. You are doing intraday, then you have to pay a lot of margin money, right? Okay. Let's look at the market. Bank Nifty, just from Monday's low to Thursday's high, Bank Nifty has shot up more than 2,000 points. And now the Nifty has recovered about 1,500 points. In the morning, I told you, technically the markets are bullish. Once 24,370 is crossed, the markets are looking bullish. And I said the target will be 24,800 to 25,000. By today itself, the 24,800 has been crossed. Now, though markets were too volatile, so it is respecting the technicals. So that is something really very good. Now, today FIIs have pumped in more than 8,500 crores. Domestic institutions have sold for about 2,300 crores, right? Probably the domestic institutions sold after 2:30 today, right? Now, come back to technicals. 24,800 is a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the entire fall. And if that is taken out, then the next major resistance will be all-time high one. So keep watching for 24,800 to 25,000. So if this level is taken out for one or the other reason, then, probably Nifty may head to all-time high. Bank Nifty today at the highest point is just only 1.25% away from its all-time high. The banking stocks are looking very, very bullish, and the rally will be led by banking stock. So today, call premiums have shot up like anything, but put premiums did not come down. So that is a nature when the VIX goes higher. Intraday, at some point of time, the India VIX was higher by about 8%. And all these things happening without any reason and no news flow, nothing. So this is such a high volatile market, and October, November, December is considered to be the most volatile in Indian market. From October 1, Nifty has fallen more than 3,000 points and recovered 1,500. So anyway, tomorrow RBI policy is there. I think there's something wrong in my throat also. We will discuss the remaining things tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.